Here in the remote highlands of Killahan in Timor Leste, farmers like Fidelia are harvesting beans, pumpkin, onions and mustard. This produce is part of a nutrient-rich diet and year-round source of food that did not exist just a decade ago. Like many rural villages, this community had been devastated by years of civil war. They were dependent on outside help that rarely reached them. Today, these steep slopes are fertile again, and villagers are producing a sustainable supply of nutritious food suited to their own needs.
The condition before we started the program is really different with the current condition right now. The land that before is abandoned now is it's useful. They can farm in there, and then the food production was increased, diversity of the seed and planting material was increased, the nutrition of the community before is very concerned, it's very crucial. But now it's already increased, the nutrition, health, environment, sanitation. It's really now is showing a significant change.
Much of this change has come about through USC Canada, one of Canada's oldest international development organisations, which fosters strong rural communities through ecological agriculture programs that safeguard valuable ecosystems and build resilience through training programs to help build skills and capacity.
Part of the strategy in working in Timor Leste is to help communities come together again, to realize that they have a lot of skills, a lot of strengths, and to work with, in particular, in our case, the farmers, the farming communities, so that they can build the self-reliance they need to move forward. So we support a program that we call agro-biodiversity. It means agricultural biodiversity, as a key strategy to help those farmers rebuild their systems.
Firstly, we start in organized farmers by forming the groups, and then after forming the group, we have to make program activity plans based on the condition, based on their actual capability that farmers can deal with, and then we start in on the implementation.
Before USC's local team arrived here, these hills grew little more than grass on hard, dry soil. Villagers were convinced these steep slopes were good only for grazing for their small herds. With USC's help, they began by building hillside terraces.
Once we learned the techniques, we were able to make a terrace. We planted trees on the edge of the terrace, applied organic fertilizer, and started planting vegetables. All this we learned from USC Canada.
After the first early successes, the entire community has come together and word has spread to nearby villages of their success. For many young people, this has given them an opportunity to learn skills and stay in their communities instead of being forced out into urban areas.
I'm involved in the program learning about these techniques and farming systems in Killahan, and after this I will bring these techniques to my own village. And I have encouraged other communities to duplicate what I am learning here, so now most of the groups, communities and households are already doing what has been introduced here.
This seed bank is one of the keys to the health and resilience of communities like Killahan. While each family is encouraged to save their own variety of seeds, the community has built a seed bank to preserve a communal resource. These are just some of the ways farmers are developing skills and building capacity, with a vision to becoming more self-sufficient and sustainable.
One thing that we can see here is farmers have a very good leadership. They can organize everything on the annual plan. After we make a plan, they can lead by themselves to implement the program. So that's a really significant change that we can see now.
At one time, this community had enough food to eat only twice a day. Now it grows more than enough for families to eat 3 good meals daily all year long. The results speak for themselves.
In the morning we have a crop like cassava, sweet potatoes, taro or banana. In the afternoon for lunch we have corn, and in the evening we cook rice. It's improved our health and the nutrition of the family, so we're stronger now and we can even sell some food to make money for other needs.